how to fix slow download speed on Epic Games Launcher. So let's get started. Epic Games Launcher offers a download throttling feature to let you restrict the download speed of games. That helps when you share the network bandwidth for other essential tasks. Hence, if you want to download your games as quickly as possible, you must ensure that this is toggled off. So first, launch Epic Games Launcher and click on the profile icon located in the upper right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings from the menu that appears. Once in, scroll down and ensure that the throttle downloads option is disabled. If it is enabled, click on the checkbox beside it to disable download throttling. Then, if none of the solution works, then wait for a few hours and recheck the download speeds to ensure that it was not caused due to issues on your ISP's end. If that does not help, the only solution that remains is to remove Epic Games Launcher and reinstall it. So first, bring up Settings by pressing the Windows plus I keys. Next, click on the Apps option in the left sidebar. Then, on the Apps page, click on the option that says Installed Apps from the right pane and type Epic Games Launcher in the search box at the top. Now, click the horizontal three dots menu next to the Epic Games Launcher result as shown here and then select Uninstall. Once done, all you have to do is download the Epic installer on your PC. After the download completes, click on the Epic installer.msi file, choose your preferred install location and follow the on-screen instructions to install the Epic Games Launcher on your PC. Next, launch it as you used to and use your login credentials to access your profile. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.